Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can deactivate your Robinhood account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into that video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Robinhood app from your home screen. So once you open your Robinhood app, you need to simply type in the pin code number of your Robinhood app and get access to your account. So once you are logged in, you need to tap on the profile icon on the right hand side and then tap on the account settings. Once you do so, in the account settings section, you can find the deactivate your account option. So simply tap it on. Now tap on the contact support. So to deactivate or delete your account on Robinhood, you need to simply tap on open email app and then you need to type in to delete your account to the Robinhood support. Once you write this mail and send it to the contact or support of Robinhood, you can simply delete your Robinhood account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.